guys! Some of my friends asked me if I was gonna do anything else with my boyfriend, and we decided to give him a chance to put makeup on me today.
Also, just so you know, I have a makeup degree from YouTube University. So I'm gonna start with this spray to wet the sponge. And now I'm going to wet her face. Wait, I forgot the foundation. Oh wait, no, we also have this thing. It's called a mattifying primer. I know in genetics, a primer comes before the gene. So I'm guessing this primer comes before the makeup. Gently apply this to her face in small, considerate chunks. Boink. Okay, and now I'm gonna use my fingers and make concentric circles. And
Oh, stop.
here is a Giorgio Armani. That is Fond de Teint Soyux Luminux. Just a little bit. Spread that peanut butter. You know, this reminds me of the times when we painted the basement of this house. Okay, looks good.
Swiping.
Swiper, no swiping.
So we'll put the concealer here because it's my eraser. Whenever I make a mistake with anything colorful, I just cover it with more of that. Stretch concealer by G. Smile, look like you're having fun. This is supposed to be fun. Oh, there's a contour. Art class by Robin. Créateur de contour. Too cool for school art class. I have to say it's not sending a very positive message to the young people out there.
Oh my gosh.
What?
You demolished my palette in 5 swipes. What is that?
So I'm just shading in the parts of her face that are supposed to be dark.
How effective is this brush?
And then we are going to do eyeshadow. Why don't you have anything bright yellow in here? Let's start with this dark purple brown called Drama. Smoky is what we're going for, not disease. Totally go clubbing in this. We'll have a purple evening gown to go with this.
Yes, because everybody clubs in a purple evening gown.
I think now we're gonna go with Smog. Now we're gonna add a little bit of a lighter shade. We'll call it Wild Child. I was going for sort of the back of an African beetle sort of look for your eyelids.
That's great.
I think I did it. I'm very successful.
Does it look like I got punched in the
supposed to.
face?
It's not supposed to. Now I'm gonna do a little bit of under eye with the same Wild Child. Actually, it looks really bad. Let me just close your eyes. Okay, we're done with the eyeshadow for now. Looks pretty good. I like it. And now we are going to do an eyeliner. Heroine make bold line eyeliner. I want to see how this looks like. Can you give me your hand? Whoa, like a Sharpie. Whoa, that was a thick line. It's okay. Just don't move. Whoa.
I can't.
Stop laughing.
I'm trying not to breathe.
Hey, don't twitch. Hey, don't twitch. Oh no, I smashed it. Now there's this pencil one. I think I'm better. Other side. It'll be over soon. Oh yeah, one of them has sort of a downward tilt. The other one has sort of an upwards tilt.
Oh my god.
It looks good.
No, poker face.
It looks good. We are going to use something for the cheeks now. Let's pick a color, any color. Glossier, Cloud Paint, Seamless Cheek Color. I'm gonna go with Beam, because it's reminds me of Star Trek. Apply it a little bit on my finger. See? Like such. Is it enough? Let me just rub it all in. Oh, that's way too much. Okay, if I just spread it out. You know what this calls for?
What?
Some damage control.
I look like that clown character with the spiral cheeks or whatever. That
From Saw?
Yeah.
I think this is I think Beam just doesn't look good.
I'm gonna use Beam later properly and I'll show you.
Properly? What are you insinuating here? Alright, we can work with this. Definitely have some acute onset dermatitis. And then we're gonna do some lips. Skinny Volume Cara. Oh, that's not a lipstick. Is this mascara too? Brush. Doesn't have any labels. Why would you have a bottle of chemicals with no labels? It's so irresponsible. It's a VSL, probably stands for very sexy look. Lip gloss, there we go. Alright, pucker it up. Can you do the chapstick thing now? The chapstick thing? You okay?
It tastes really bad.
Oh, it got in your mouth? So here's something that looks like scissors, but it's not.
Okay, I'm
I
scared.
told you, I'm a graduate of YouTube University. So we will do some mascara now, like I promised. Here it is. Close your eyes. Oh, there's a glop on there. Not really sure what side of the brush I'm supposed to use, so I'm just turning the brush as I'm using it. One of them has got to be the right one. And we'll finish off highlighter. Whoa!
Oh my god! Oh, my highlighter. It had the Fenty Beauty thing on it and he just smushed it.
You brought this upon yourself. Shh. And then we will finish off with some setting powder. I have a big brush for it. Where's the powder? I don't see any powder. Got some on the table.
What on that table?
Hey, don't waste. And then we'll finish off with the same setting water. And I call this look Jack the Ripper's Next Victim.
Hey guys, forgot to record an outro because once he finished, I felt like I had to take it all off because it just was super cakey. But anyway, basically here's the finished look and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching.